Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect Bluetooth to a GOTRAX scooter. Start by downloading the official GOTRAX app from the App Store or Google Play Store. After the installation is complete, open the app and allow Bluetooth permission if your phone asks for it. Next, turn on your GOTRAX scooter by pressing the power button. Then, make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone. For the most reliable connection, keep your phone within 5 feet of the scooter throughout the setup process. Inside the GOTRAX app, tap the button that says Scan or Add Device. The app will begin looking for nearby scooters. After a few moments, your GOTRAX scooter should appear in the list of available devices. Tap on your scooter's name to begin pairing. Wait a few seconds while the connection is completed. Once connected, the app will display your scooter's information and any available features supported by your model. Your smartphone is now connected to your GOTRAX scooter, and you can use the app to access supported settings and monitor your scooter. Thanks for watching.